Hello everyone, I am Orko, you are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video, I am going to talk about something that we have been waiting for and we were expecting before. Actually, OnePlus is going to launch a light version of its latest OnePlus Nord. So, today I am going to talk about the specs, the launch date, the price, and also why should you buy it and why should you not. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and do not forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So first of all, let me talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Let's start with the display. So it is going to have a Super AMOLED display with 6.55 inches of screen size with dual punch hole selfie camera, and as it is going to have a Super AMOLED display, so it will have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and most importantly it will have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now let's talk about the processor of this smartphone. This phone is going to have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 chipset, which is not a 5G chipset, and its base variant is going to feature 6GB of RAM with 128GB of external storage, but without any memory card slot. So that is one disadvantage of this smartphone. Now moving on to its camera, it is going to have a triple camera setup with 48MP of wide angle lens, 16MP of ultra wide angle lens, and 2MP macro lens. And in the front, it is going to have a 16MP primary selfie camera with 2MP depth sensor. Now talking about its battery, it is going to have 4300 mAh of battery with 30-watt warp charging. Now talking about the two most important segment, that is the launch date and the price of this product. So the product is expected to be launched by the end of this month, that is the end of August, and the pricing of this product is somewhere around 20,000 rupees. This is the expected price, not the official price. So as well as the official specs and the prices revealed, I will inform to you guys, so stay tuned. And now it's time for my opinion. So why should you buy it and should you not? This smartphone under this price range, OnePlus is such a brand which we wouldn't expect delivering such mid-range smartphones, but for the sake of Indian customers and such high demand of mid-range smartphones, OnePlus is manufacturing this smartphone, and the specs that it is providing is quite impressive in this price segment. And there are several other smartphone brands which provides a better specs, but after all it's OnePlus. And not only that, the camera setup over here is mainly focused on the wide angle and the ultra wide angle lens, which is actually a matter of concern for photographers. And other than that, if you use it for gaming, then it will give an average gaming experience, not a very good gaming experience. And also it is going to have a 30-watt warp charging, which is quite a cool feature because no other smartphone in this price range provides a warp charging facility, and that too of 30 watt. And why should you not buy this smartphone? Because this smartphone will not have any memory card slot, so you can't insert SD card or use the SD card in your previous smartphone in this one. So this is a matter of concern also. Other than that, this smartphone is quite cool, and in this price range it is going to be a killer smartphone, and that too from OnePlus. So if you want to buy this smartphone, I will recommend you go for it. So if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel to never miss any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.